Do you want to improve your efforts to reach your fitness goals? Friends, imagine for a moment that whatever you're going to do in your gym, in your home workouts, you're going to get the results. But the fact is something different. I have seen many people while doing their workout, the first thing which they do in the gym is they go and do their treadmill for 15 minutes, for half an hour, and I was also used to be like that. Today we are going to discuss about the real fact which can improve your efforts while doing your workout so that you will reach your dream physique in year 2021. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to reduce their stubborn fat. I help them to achieve their dream personality by giving them the tools so that they can build their extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, if you want to improve your efforts, then the improved efforts will give you the improved result. But this time you're going to ask to me that if I'm going to run half an hour, then why you do not get the result? Because this thing does not happen in the fitness. That's why I want to talk about what kind of efforts you need to have. The number one effort which you need to apply that gain the knowledge about the fitness. Diet, workouts. If we combine together, then you get the celebrity physique or you physique like a Superman, Spider-Man or the Bollywood celebrities. But if you are looking forward for some normal kind of a thing, then just apply the good diet and a normal workout. But if you're not going to do any kind of a workout, then apply the science of busy lifestyle for your whole day. This is the key. By any way we are made to do the workouts. If you are not going to do the workouts, then we're going to face the problem in future. Because the diet has the boundaries, workouts don't. But it doesn't mean that you're going to do the workout for half an hour, cardios and all. There is a type of a workout you can reach and you will get the maximum result, but for that your body has to adapt some things. There is a diet which improves your workout and you will get the result. Gain the knowledge. The second thing you can say is the most important thing, that you need a mindset. You need to know that why you want to improve your health and fitness. When I used to work in a corporate, I want to be energetic in my life. I don't want to become the patient of pre-diabetes or the patient of high BP or heart problems. I want to look young, rather among the peoples who has the same age like me. So these were some of the causes which has motivated me to do my workouts to make me fit. In the same way, friends, you can also remind yourself that what is your why. Many people has their why because of diabetes, because of joint pains, because of low immunity. I don't want for you to have any of these reasons. Friends, workouts and fitness is a part. It's a part of a life. It's not a destination. It's a lifelong journey. I tell you that when the humankind were developing, on that time, the one thing which was common between you and me, that we all originated from the single species, and for that very species was grown while hunting, while sowing the seed to grow the food, because the food was not available, food was rare, situation was rare. So that's why we need to do workout to gain the food. And nowadays, in modern century, the food is easily accessible. That's why people are getting more fat, because the body is not working. But still, our body is adapted the previous millennium hormones, the previous millennium system. Still, our body preserves. Still, our body makes us safe while preserving or making the fat. The third thing which you need to apply, that join a good coach. If you have a good personal trainer, Definitely he's going to be motivator for you. He's going to give you the motivation, he's going to give you the diet schedules, and it will automatically improve your efforts. These are the 3 things which if you apply, you will definitely see the results. Friends, if you want to take your fitness to the next level, then I have created a WhatsApp group classes in which I'm going to give you 5-day workout session. We're going to meet live, we're going to do the meditation. Beside all that, you're going to get the 5-day diet plans, plus you're going to get the mindset videos on 5 days, which will take your fitness to the another level, and I call it automatic fitness management. You just need to apply these 5 days again and again and again. Friends, link I'm giving you in the description so that you can join and we can meet. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness, and I'm going to see you on other side.